The soothing properties of music are well known, but in the nerve-wracking environment of a hospital operating room, internationally renowned ophthalmologist and classically trained pianist Dr. George Camara actually played the piano for his patient prior to performing an eye surgery. And we want to thank you very much for being here.
Thank you, Linda. It's a great honor to be here this morning and talk about music and medicine.
Now, why in the world did you experiment with this idea of playing live music for one of your patients?
Well, you know, it's well known in the medical literature that listening to recorded classical music has many beneficial properties. It makes patients more satisfied with the procedure. It lessens the need for sedatives, for opioids, for anxiety medicines. And I thought, why not take this a step further? There's a difference between going to a concert and hearing a live performance versus the recording of the same artist. So I thought, there's got to be something that will benefit a patient if I'm actually playing for them before I do their surgery.
So you wheeled in a big mother piano into the operating room and sat there and serenaded your patient as he was preparing for surgery?
Yes, but in order to keep it sterile, you know, an operating room has a very strict standard of sterility. We used an electronic piano that you could actually wipe down and sterilize as we could our other instruments. So there were some, you know, some concerns we had there. And we brought the piano in, and as each patient came in, Linda, instead of lying on the bed and seeing the nurses looking at them or hearing the sound of their heart on the monitors and the clanking of instruments being prepared, which anyone who's had surgery recognizes.
Sure.
Instead, I would tell them, would you like me to play some Beethoven for you, or Chopin, or Liszt? And I'd play for them as they were being prepared for the surgery prior to my doing the surgery.
And they say that this lowers the blood pressure, the heart rate, calms the patient.
Yes. This is actually part of a study we did. We studied 115 patients and measured their blood pressure, their heart rate, their breathing rate prior to giving them any sedation, just 10 minutes of listening to my playing the piano for them. And we found a 20% decrease in the blood pressure, 20% or more decrease in the heart rate, and an 8% decrease in their breathing rates.
Oh man, can you come over to my house tomorrow while I'm getting ready for work? That would be very helpful.
I'll be happy to, and if I can't make it, the CD's there.
Actually, you did record this music that you played in that operating room. We saw some video, and have produced a CD. And can you reach over there for it?
Absolutely.
Oh, get it. Oh, thank you. I should have had it
Here
for
you
you.
go, Linda.
Here it is, and it's available now. And some of the proceeds will be going to the Aloha Medical Missions, of which you are president.
Yes, Linda. We didn't have a concert this year to celebrate our gala, but instead I said, well, why not use the CD to raise funds for our Aloha Medical Mission?
Ah, terrific. Good for you. Thank you so much, George. Appreciate it very much.
Tth you.
And good luck with the sale of your CDs.
Thank you very much.
And
Great to be here.
I'm going to expect the next time I go to the doctor to have someone in there playing saxophone or piano. All right. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Linda.
We're going to have a lot more on the morning news when we come back. Stay with us.